humans would not be bothered with the fact that this time is asking for trouble.
Oh, shit.
Come in. Gather round.
Yeah, my daughter's not on.
Quickly! Have a good old day. I'm supposed to take you down to see the vaults. Let me just get the keys.
지금 움직이는 거는 모형이나 진짜 사람이 아니고 그냥 영상으로 저렇게 나타나는 거예요.
What was that?
The Weasley's wildfire whiz-bangs. Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George.
Billies, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lord. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you since...
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way. You haven't seen me. Actually, if you don't mind, I'll join you on your tour. We can all leave together. I'll meet you at your cast.
Well, what are we talking about? Well, let's get moving. Now, listen to me. The passage to your left will take you to a pair of lifts. The lifts will take you down to the cart station. There you will board a cart for the journey to the vaults beneath the Gringotts. We'll see you down there. You can clear off now. My patience is running thin.
Let's go, baby. Ballet, don't squeeze.
이렇게 뭔가 테마 같은 걸 보여줘.
You were the one in the right.
그리고 나서 그냥 이렇게 4D나 이렇게 태워주는 것 같아.
It says heart condition, blue light, similar to the shit in hardcore. You want to hear me?